Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Node.js on a Mac. There are a few different ways to install Node.js on a Mac, some of which include using package managers such as Homebrew or Mac ports. There are also Node version managers out there as well. In this video, I'll be going over how to use the web installer from the Node.js website, which is probably the most common method of installation. Alright, let's get started. First, let's open up our web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but you may be using Safari or Firefox. The easiest way to get to the Node.js download page is to just search in Google for Node.js and click download. Here we can see that we are on the Node.js download page. Alternatively, you can go directly to the Node.js website by going to nodejs.org. I will have a link in the description below. Now that we are on the download page, let's talk about which version of Node you should install. Here we can see that the LTS version or long-term support is 18.12.1 and that the current version is 19.3.0. But what's really the difference here? The major difference between these two is how long they are supported for. The current version is supported for 6 months, whereas the LTS version is supported for 30 months. This is why the LTS version is recommended for most users. When a Node version stops being supported, it does not get any bug fixes or security fixes. You do not want to be using a version of Node that is not currently being supported unless you really have a good reason to do so. You most likely also don't want to upgrade the version of Node your application is using in 6 months either. Here I'll install the LTS version. Once the download is complete, we can run the installer. In Google Chrome, you can see the installer here in the bottom left corner. If you're using Safari, you can click the Show Downloads and see the installer here. If you're using Firefox, you'll see the download in the top right corner. Here you can run the installer. Once we run the Node.js package installer, we will click Continue, Continue, agree to the license agreement, and install. Here I'll enter my password and click Install Software. And now we'll close the installer. I'll go ahead and move it to the trash. Now if we open up the terminal, and let me make that bigger for everyone to see, we can run node version and see that I am running 18.12.1. If you're able to see which version of Node you have installed, then congratulations. You can now start using Node to develop applications. If you're new to Node and not sure where to go from here, the Node.js documentation is very helpful. The link will be in the description below. Also, take a look around my channel. I may have more Node.js tutorials uploaded that you may find helpful. If you found this content useful, please like the video. And if you'd like to see more videos like it, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.